I'm Robin Clevitt. You're watching the 101 uses of a multi-tool out on tour. I'm in a bathroom that we're renovating. There are some bad walls and there are some good walls. I've got a particularly bad wall here and I need to get it cleaned back. We've got adhesive, we've got plaster, all those kinds of things that are sticking out, sort of hangovers from the past. So I'm going to be using a 62mm extreme diamond blade. It's going to be absolutely perfect for getting these surfaces flat and quick. So using a 62mm wide extreme diamond blade, now it's got diamond dust all over it, or diamond grit if you like. It's absolutely perfect for staying clean, getting behind that adhesive, taking it off without removing any of the surface underneath. It's particularly useful if you don't want loads of making good, and it's a clean, fast job. If you've enjoyed this, make sure you check back soon to the 101 uses of a multi-tool out on tour with me, Robin Clevitt.